Yo, we're at the back of the garage, walking up the hill. It's 8 bars. I'm about to show them a trick or treat of my own. You get me? Listen to this. Wait, let me wait till it's dead. I'm gonna shock him. One sec. I've got this all on camera. See them guys down there. Wait until they get off here. Watch. We're walking now. Spider.
Give 2 10 depths of Mayfair king size. Pardon? Give the pack of the reed holes too, please. Pack of the reed holes. The reed holes.
Yeah, I only couldn't play a prank on you, mate.